Hello kids, welcome to our channel Pepu Learning Zone. Today we are going to learn alphabet A B C D E with sounds. A for apple. B for ball. C for cow. D for deer. E for envelope. F for frog. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.